Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's a weekend. In today's newspaper of November the 11th, yes, I believe today's it's single day. Yes. In today's newspaper of Saturday, November the 11th, 2023, not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only one puzzle page, yes. And in this puzzle page we have 6 puzzles. We have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 2 with 3 stars. Here one and there one. Let me give this some light. Okay, yeah, we have the lights here. Yeah, one with 3, both with 3 stars. Then we have a killer Sudoku. 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and we have a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In this newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Told you. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. What I will do tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. This is the weekend edition, so it's for Saturday and Sunday. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page. In the puzzle page we have 6 puzzles. Today I will do 4 of them, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles, but also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Alright, we have here 2 regular puzzles. The Medium Sudoku for today, and tomorrow evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve. Alright, let me start with this Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number, I believe number 7428. Yeah, 72848. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional has 27, 28, 26, 25, and 24 printed digits. This should be easier than the 1 star, so it should be a 0 stars. Puzzle need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the one in the third column, one in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then let me see. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the fifth column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, okay. 6, 7, 4, 3, 8, 8. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. Oh, we have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in the last row. The 1 and the 9 in this row. So the row between the only two places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. Only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. Only place left for 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, I need to blow my nose. Okay. Alright. Come on. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. 1. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, only place left with 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only place left with 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. 6. Need a 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 8. 8. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay. And now in this row, we have 5 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, so no 8 there. And 8 in this column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Okay, and now 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this one. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay, and now. Now. 6 and the 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, first column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 3 and the 6. Okay. Here we have 1 box left in the first column for the 1. The 2 is missing. Then need a 2 here, need a 2 there. 8, 7, 3, 8, 7, 3. 3, 8, 7, 3. Okay. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this row. No 7 in this box. 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes. In the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there. So here the 2 numbers left, I believe the 7 and the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 5 and the 7 are missing. Okay, 7. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. So here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 and 5, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here. Let me see. 1 box left in this middle column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And a 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this row, middle row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. So there's 5 and the 6 are left. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Here, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14 to 30 minutes for a 0 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.